The lifeboat engine is usually a single or twin-cylinder engine that uses diesel as fuel for operation. Here you are shown a single-cylinder engine. In the case of an open lifeboat, the engine is started by manual cranking. Before starting the lifeboat engine, pre-checks have to be carried out. Check the lube oil level in the crankcase by means of a dipstick. Check the clutch case oil level and place the clutch lever in the neutral position. Check the diesel oil in the diesel oil level tank. Drain the diesel oil through the drain valve provided and open the fuel outlet valve from the tank. Remove the cover for the air inlet filter if provided. Put the decompression lever in the open position. Prime the fuel lines with diesel oil and keep the fuel setting lever initially to 1/4 of a notch. Engage the cranking lever and crank the engine manually. Once sufficient momentum is gained, engage the decompression lever. When the engine starts, decrease the fuel setting to minimum notch. The engine is in idling RPM. Engage the clutch in both positions, ahead and astern, and check for the free running of the propeller. Once satisfied, bring the fuel lever to stop and stop the engine. Open the decompression lever. Turn the crankshaft of the engine manually by manual cranking lever for at least 5 revolutions. Restore the system and cover the engine. The engine may fail to start as the fuel lines may not have been primed or the fuel filter may be choked. To resolve the problem, prime the system or clean the filter. The manual cranking speed could be insufficient. To resolve the problem, increase the manual cranking speed. The air intake filter could be choked. Resolve the problem by cleaning it. The exhaust pipeline could be choked with debris. Resolve the problem by clearing the choke. Water could be in the fuel line. Resolve the problem by draining the water. The engine picks up fuel but runs intermittently. The fuel filter may be partially choked and may allow a lesser quantity of fuel. This problem may be resolved by cleaning the filter. The fuel may be insufficient due to a low fuel setting. This problem may be resolved by correcting the setting. The engine may start violently when the fuel setting is high. This problem may be resolved by correcting the setting.